Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. If you're here for the first time, please right now go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Okay, I'm back because I want to show you guys it's really just that simple, the three-step method to get this system off and running. My Automatic Pay. It's an all-in-one done-for-you system. Okay, it's automatically set up. You're able to make $247 instant commissions any way you want. It includes the total marketing system, your autoresponder, your capture pages, your sales page, the email follow-up series that's going to go out on your behalf. You get your digital products, okay? Everything you need, especially as a newbie or first-time internet marketer, okay, online, trying to make money online, okay? This is perfect for you because it's very, very newbie-friendly. As I stated, 3 simple steps, okay? So if you go down on this page, but I'm going to show you something. Go to this website, www.besteasyworkincome.com, to get all the details, okay? But I just want to show you this really quickly here, okay? This is the page you're going to get. We all get this page, and it's instantly set up once you make your payment, okay? There's no delays, all right? But come down on this page, and it says right here, 3 steps. It is that simple, okay? So let's go through it real quick. Step 1, click the button below to join. Okay, you're going to pay your $33. That's the first thing that's going to come up. And then it's going to direct you to pay your $247. So if you come all the way down here, see right here, you click this button. That's step 1. Invest in the program one time, no monthly fees. Okay, so that's going to be $280. And you have a full done-for-you system. Okay, in which you can make these $247 over and over and over. There's no pass-ups. It's just straight direct sales, member to member. All right, so that will be step 1. Come back here and it says register your profile. So once you make your payment, you're going to receive an email, okay, from the company, My Automatic Pay. They're going to send you an email with your login information, okay? And so that's when you'll go to step 2 to register your profile. And let me show you that. Okay, so you're here, right? So you're ready for step 2. So when you go to, so when they say step 2, they're meaning right here. See, it says complete your profile. That's going to be your name, address, and phone number and email. All right, and your payment option. Okay, let's reference back to this page. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the sales page I'm looking at. This is what you'll see. Okay, when you go to my page, www.besteasyworkincome.com, you get this page. Okay, see, register your profile, get your system set up and ready, and you'll set up your payment option. Okay, which is right here. Okay, so you get your email, you log in right here, set up your payment option any way you want. Okay, right here. That's what you're going to do. Step 2. Very simple. Okay, now go back to this sales page here. I'm referencing. Then it says step 3. Decide which traffic package you have that you want. They have the done for you traffic where you just give the vendor your link, your capture page link, and they will run traffic. They will run targeted people, okay, over to your site so they can take a look at the opportunity. Okay, those are the 3 steps. Now let me show you the payment options that you have. Let's take a look at that. So right here is your payment options. Okay, these are the processors that you can select from. Authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero. Manual would be Zelle or any other option that you don't see here. Gizmo or ORU or Venmo. Set that up so that you can set up your payments. Okay, and then traffic. So now when we say traffic, traffic is visitors. That can be different methods. It's not necessarily solo ads. It's postcards, it's drop cards, text message marketing, any of those strategies, okay? But the point is step 3, pick the traffic package, pick the method you want. I say go with the solos because that's going to be fast, okay? You can get visitors to your site within hours, okay? So let's go take a look at those different traffic strategies. Okay, now we're back in our members area. Now don't forget, when you sign up with me, go back here, copy this link right here. It says your referral link. This is your link. You want to give me that link. Copy that, email it to me. I'm going to send your first solo ad. All right, so traffic, you click here, it says get traffic. What are those options? Right here, they give them to you. Solo ads, postcards. They even tell you where you can get the leads from. If you don't want postcards, they have a sales letter they've put together. If you're into mailing in envelopes, they got a sales letter. Okay, or if you want to just do an ad in a magazine, those are the traffic sources. Now I have a traffic source that's not in here, text message marketing, mass text message marketing. If you want to get 5,000, 10,000 eyeballs with a text blast, I have a vendor that you can use to do that as well. But all that is traffic, guys, okay? 3 steps. That's how simple this thing is to set up. That's why I say it's very newbie friendly and everything is automated. I know when you're new, you already feel a little overwhelmed. So this system hit the nail on the head. They put everything right here for you so you don't have to go outside of this system. And remember, this video will do all the selling and telling. You don't have to worry about explaining this like you do with MLM. You know, there's no presentations. You don't need to get on any 3-way calls, webinars, anything like that. Your job is just to send people to your capture page. Let me show you what the capture page that I'm using. This is the page I'm using right here, and it asks for the name and email. And when they enter their information, it takes them over to this page right here. Okay, with this video does the selling and telling. You never have to explain this. Okay, and people will look at this website and they can make a sound decision from the video and looking at the website. It's very simple. It's not overwhelming. They keep everything very newbie friendly as well. So they don't have a lot of hype. Okay, it's just straight to the point. Okay, what you get, how does it work, and how to get started. That's really it. Okay, so, and remember, you break even on your first sale, guys. It's $247 to get in. So your first sale, your first member, they pay you $247. So you just broke even. Anything after that, you're in profit, and you will make these $247 commissions over and over and over to infinity. And you have the pass up. The pass up is the second person. Everybody passes up their second sale. This is what's going to give you leverage, and you're able to make commissions, passive income from those pass ups. Okay, because once people join you, it's going to be automatic. Their first sale they're going to keep. The system is going to direct whoever they sign up, that second person. The system is going to direct them where they need to go to pay that person for that second sale, and it just passes up. So passive income, okay, leveraging other people's efforts. So this is a great low ticket program, okay, that doesn't break the bank. Under $300, you're in. And then remember, I'm going to pay for the first traffic solo ad. So you pay your $280. I'm going to run the first campaign, and your system is going to follow up with your folks. It's going to send them emails. This autoresponder is already set up and customized to work 24/7 for you. Okay? So that's how it works. 3-step method. Get started with me. Go to www.besteasywworkincome.com. Get started. And don't forget to send me your link on this page. Go here, log in, this link, your referral link. Send that to me so that I can get your traffic flowing. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.